Bonjour mes chers amis. Okay, on today's topic we are going to do the conjugation of the verb au passé composé ou the auxiliary être. You can see here passé composé du verbe en OR et are verbs with être, avec être. Okay, we have two verbs here. We have verb rester and rentrer. Okay, as usual, to put any verb in the passé composé, we have to conjugate either avoir in the present tense, être in the present tense plus the participe passé. Participe passé in English means past participle of the verb to be conjugated. So, for this to be very easy for us and fast, here I have conjugated the verb être, which is the auxiliary verb to be used. You can see it here. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, this is être in the present tense. But the verb to conjugate it in the passé composé is rester and rentrer. And for the work to be easier for us, I have gotten the participe passé of the verb rester and rentrer. How do we get this? For AR verbs, you just have to remove the R here and put E accent aigu. That is how you get your participe passé of AR verbs if you want to conjugate them in the passé composé. So here we go, very fast. For this to be also fast for us again, please permit me to copy here. This is the verb, auxiliary verb être. Okay, copied. Now I want to paste it here. Here I have pasted the verb être in the present tense, but we are looking for how to conjugate the rester or passé composé. So therefore, I just have to copy this and rester, the participe passé. Remember the rule is avoir or être plus participe passé of the verb to be conjugated. For that purpose, I have copied rester. Now, the passé composé will be je suis resté, I stayed, tu es resté, il est resté, elle est restée, nous sommes restés, vous êtes restés, ils sont restés, elles sont restés. However, because of the we are using the verb être to conjugate this verb au passé composé, there are some changes that we do not have with the verb avoir that is going to occur here. Let's look at what is going to happen here. Now, if we are doing conjugation of verb to passé composé with the auxiliary verb être, the verb must agree in gender and in the number. Okay? For example, here, je suis resté, no problem, it's okay. Tu es resté, let me assume that tu here is for masculine, so it can be, it's okay like this. Il est resté, this is correct. Elle est restée. We are going to add another E because L is feminine, so it has to agree both in gender and number. So we say elle est restée. Now, nous sommes restés. Nous should have either another E if it's for feminine plus S. Okay, nous sommes restés. Okay, it means we stayed. Vous êtes, the same thing if it is plural feminine, you have to put E, okay, and S for the plural. Elles sont restés is going to be just S because it is masculine, okay. Then we have elles sont restés here. For sure, this is very distinguished. We just put ES because it is feminine plural, okay. Now, the same thing is going to happen here for rentrer to come back. So, I want to copy the verb être again from the present tense conjugation here. Now I want to paste it again here. Okay? Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. But the participle passé of the verb to come back is round 3. So I take it again, I copied it. Okay? The same thing is going to happen again. Yes. Je suis rentré. Tu es rentré. Il est rentré. Elle est rentrée. Nous sommes rentrés. Vous êtes rentrés. Ils sont rentrés. Elles sont rentrées. Okay? Then to agree with genders and numbers again, from here you add E. Here there is option of adding ES. If it is only for the feminine, that is nous, you put E. That is why I put the E on bracket and S. So the same thing is going to happen here. S. Here we just add S because it is feminine, masculine, sorry. And here we put ES because it is feminine. Okay? This is how to conjugate the verb au passé composé with auxiliary être. Okay? Let's see, mes chers amis, please, if you have some doubt, please put on the comment section and I will be able to respond. Thank you. Yes, my dear students, sorry. And to be able to understand what we have done so clearly, here are small activities to be done, okay? Instruction goes like this: conjuguer ce verbe au passé composé, conjugate the verb in the past tense, okay? Always have conjugated the auxiliary être here again, because all the verb we are going to conjugate here is verb to be conjugated with auxiliary être. Aller, rester, rentrer, entrer, arriver. Remember, passé composé with the verb être. Most of the verb has what we call the movement verb. It verbs that involves one sort of movement or the other. So let's see how we can conjugate these verbs au passé composé. Okay? Now the sentence here goes like this: Elle dash au marché depuis le matin. And the sentence we want to say, she went to the market since morning. Okay? How do we put aller au passé composé? Remember, I have said before, you just need to remove the ER and put E accent aigu. Now let me put it here. The first thing to do is to conjugate être. Elle here is LA. So we are going to have LA. Aller here. Now please, I have left accent aigu, E accent aigu somewhere for easy work for me. Now we'll put it here. Okay? Elle est allée au marché depuis le matin. Why do we put double E here? Because it is feminine, singular. So we have to put E to agree with the gender here. Elle est allée au marché depuis le matin. She went to the market since morning. Now the second sentence is mon frère dash pour longtemps. The sentence wants to state that my brother stays for a long time. Rester. So here, mon frère, we are going to conjugate it with elle. Okay, it's going to be mon frère est. Mon frère est resté. Mon frère est resté pour longtemps. Here now we are not going to add another E. Why? Because mon frère is masculine. It means my brother stays for a long time. So mon frère est resté pour longtemps. Okay. Now the next one, the third one, mes parents. Okay. Dash and retard. We have the verb to be conjugated round 3. The sentence want to say my parents came back late. Okay? Mes parents is going to go with the verb sont. Okay? Mes parents sont rentrés. Sont rentrés. Mes parents sont rentrés en retard. My parents came back late. Why do we put es only here? Mes parents, which means it involves the father and the mother, so we have to accord it only in the plural. The gender to put e here is not going to work because it is mixed up of the two genders, father and the mother, masculine and feminine. Okay, so the next one is the fourth question. Tu dash cette chambre hier soir? Entrez. This is a question. Did you enter that room yesterday evening? So, entrez, tu, here is the être for tu. So, how does it go? It's going to be like this. Sorry. Tu es entré, tu es entré. Tu es entré cette chambre. Tu es entré cette chambre hier soir. Did you enter that room yesterday evening? Okay, that is a question. Now the last one here is je dash à l'air. We have arrivé. Now je is je suis with the verb être. Je suis. Then the principal verb arrivé. We are going to have je suis arrivé à l'heure. I came on time. Je suis arrivé à l'heure. I came on time. So I want to highlight the verb conjugated in red for easy identification, please. Maybe I put it in a note, underline, okay? Let me underline them. Okay, so you can see how to conjugate the verb au passé composé using the verb être, auxiliary verb être. Example, so we have to read it again, okay? Elle est allée au marché depuis le matin. She went to the market since morning. Mon frère est resté pour longtemps. My brother stayed for a long time. Mes parents sont rentrés en retard. My parents came back late. Tu es entré cette chambre. Tu es entré cette chambre hier soir. Did you enter that room yesterday evening? Je suis arrivé à l'heure. I came on time. Please, I believe this small activity, dear students, this will be clear for you and easy for understanding. Please, if you have any doubt again, please put on the comment section. Otherwise, subscribe, share and like with your friends. Merci beaucoup et bonjour.